Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video of game dev tutorials. Today I will be showing you how to make a death block. So pretty much when you touch it, you'll respawn back to your checkpoint. So yeah, let's get right into it. Okay, first you just need an FPS player and a little scene and a main camera to just see. Yeah. Anyways, so first, you're going to want to create a 3D object cube. Call it KillFloor. Call it KillFloor. And then create a empty. And call this checkpoint. And set both of them to 0, 0, 0. Okay, once you do that, get your checkpoint and put it wherever you want to respawn. Alright, now get your KillFloor and move it down below your scene. And now you're going to want to make it bigger than your scene. So let's just make it pretty big. Okay. Now you're going to give it a rigid body. And we don't want it to move anywhere. So we're going to turn on the freeze position and freeze rotation. After that, okay, go to its, oh yeah, and before I forget, do is triggered. And also, edit the collider of your KillFloor. Make the collider taller than your actual box. So after you've risen, as you can see, you have risen this collider to be taller than the box. So it's a couple units taller. And then go to it and turn off its mesh render. And then in the link in the description, you can get the KillFloor script. You're gonna give it to your KillFloor. Then you're gonna drag into your player. Then you're gonna drag in your checkpoint. And there you go. You have an FPS reset block that will reset your player back to your checkpoint. So, if we press play, okay, as you can see, I can grapple and all of this. And then let's say I fall. Oh, I hit the thing, so now I spawn at my checkpoint. Because the two colliders collide with each other, that teleports you to the checkpoint. Hopefully that was helpful, and if it was, make sure you like and subscribe. And hit the bell, so then you never miss any other videos that I post. And make sure you join my Discord server. The only reason I'm doing this is because Jimmy2020 on my Discord server, first person to join by the way, he suggested this. So yeah, if you want me to do something, just join my Discord and comment in the chat. See you around. Bye.